Hey assholes, how's it going? So we've been out for about 3 weeks now, 4 weeks, because we've been very busy with the holidays, and also we moved in. I moved into Drew's place. I just figured, you know, we've been friends for a long time. We've been a band for a long time. It's time to just make it official. Make it Facebook official. So I moved into Drew's place. I'm in the basement now. This used to be a garage door behind me. Maybe I'll put a little comparison image. I'll edit that into the video. Don't forget to do that. Seriously. And edit now. Okay, so that used to be a garage door. Now it's a stylish French door. See? Two sides of the door open. So these two open. This one does not. You come in, you walk in, and it's like a That 70s Show basement, if you will. Bed's there. Projector screen. And clothes. And the important stuff, it's a bathroom. Important stuff is my little studio. Zoom it out. Okay. Nord is there. Computer is there. I'm surrounded by clothes, so I'm going to get a microphone right here, standing right there, so I can sing into, and the clothes will deaden the sound. And as you know, these stairs go up into dark, which goes into Drew's room. He's asleep right now. He's asleep right now. Shut the fuck up. It's like 3 a.m. So yeah, all of our videos now, living with Drew. Have a good day. Happy KO. Like and subscribe, obviously. Happy holidays. In their pants.